Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you use or add columns into your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add columns into your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes if you're describing parts of your business, it's going to be easier if you have various columns on the web page. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly account, and this is the home screen. So first, you're going to go ahead and choose the correct website up here on the top left. Once you've chosen the correct website, go to the editor. So you're going to click on website and then edit site. Okay, once you're here in the editor, you're going to choose the page that you want to add various columns into. So click up here on the top left and then choose the page. So I'm going to choose this page right here, cool car. Okay, so Weebly is set up into various sections. So when you hover over the section, it's going to turn blue. So let me scroll down. Here's another section, and then here's another section. So you're gonna have to choose which one of these sections you want to add columns into. So for this video, I'll go ahead and maybe choose this one right here. Once you click into that section, here on the left, you're gonna look for this drop down, layout and color. And when you open up layout, here are the various layouts for that particular section. So as you can see, this one here is 2 columns. Here's another column 1, here's a column. So if you click on it, it's going to change the format. So you can see that it added into a column. Now, if you scroll down a little bit more, you can choose how many columns. So let's say that we want, 3 columns. Okay, now you can see there's just 1 column. If you want to add another column, scroll to the top, and you can see this one has a group called Making Magic. Let's go ahead and add another group by clicking here. Right, you can see it adds another column, and let's add one more. Okay, so now we have 3 columns. So we can adjust these. So maybe I want the middle one to be last. So I just grab it right here and drag it down. And then once you click into these columns, you can go ahead and edit them. So this one, go ahead and update the title, and you can update the text and even the button. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add a column into your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.